Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at the CF Moto ZFORCE 950. This one is accessorized with a bunch of their new products on it. Wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about what they've got going on. Let's start right on the front with the new bumper. Attaches onto that existing frame structure and is tied down into the frame. Got some light bar mounts on there as well. Stick a small bar or some pods. And you've got the half windshield. Quick release clamps on there. This is a new clamp system. Very simple to take on and off. You could have that window off in less than 30 seconds. Side mirrors. You've all been struggling to find the perfect mirror for this machine, just due to the angle of the bar. Very nice looking mirror. Great attachment on there. It does fold in out of the way. If you're pulling in somewhere tight, smack a tree. Filtration system from KWT. We'll get some more details about this a little later. Cargo box. Nice rubber straps. Very nice and big on the inside. Nice rubber seal around it, gonna keep all your contents dry and secure. Utilizes their quick release system. Rear bumper. Attaches again to the existing frame structure. And then down on the bottom by the 2-inch hitch. Rear window. Utilizes those same quick release clamps as on the front. Overhead sound system. Nice rear view mirror. NERF bars. And there you have it, some of the new accessories for the ZFORCE 950. Let us know what you think. Oh, we can't forget the lower door inserts. Really finishes off the machine. 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Have a great day, everybody.